Hey, what's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is our next weevil species, the Bluegrass Billbug Weevil. There are over 60,000 species of weevils worldwide, and we keep on discovering new species all the time. They're a truly diverse group of beetles. Weevils are beetles. And see how he is laying on his back with all of his legs curled up? This is a defensive posture for some beetles and other insects. It's known as Sphenophorus, aka playing dead. They'll stay like this for a long period of time until whatever threat they perceive leaves. They usually fall to the ground like this. Yep, it's known as Sphenophorus.